Okay, hello and welcome to the video. I was just dealt with incredibly deceptively by an evil moderator on a social media site because under the religion and spirituality section, I posted a comment where I explained that a recent discovery by astrophysicists shows that water is the oldest, if not one of the oldest, molecules and substances in the material universe, and is actually much older than they previously thought possible. All right. And the article came from Microsoft, from MSN News. All right. Um, which is a highly liberal site. And in fact, Bill Gates is an atheist. So it shouldn't have been a surprise to them. But anyway, I explained that the Bible had that right. In the Bible, water is the oldest substance in the universe. It's actually older than visible light. Um, According to the book of Genesis, chapter 1, verse 1 and 2 and 3, I think. Uh so I've mentioned that in my post on a social media site, and then I explained that the existence of oxygen right from the beginning of the universe and water molecules right from the beginning of the universe, first of all, proves that the Big Bang model of the universe is wrong. Which that's actually a Christian's fault. That's George Lemaitre's fault for proposing a model that was wrong. Secondly, it proves that the sun is a first generation star and that it has more nitrogen and oxygen in it than currently realized, I told them. And third, it proves that there is no graviton in the model, which Newton said all along that there could not be a graviton particle because it would need to have negative momentum, which would mean that it would then have to have negative mass, and negative mass is a meaningless concept. All right. Two other reasons there can't be gravitons in the standard model, even though the scientists keep looking for them and think they're there. Number one, the second reason, or probably should have been the first reason, is if gravitons were emitted and left matter to reach other matter at a distant location, then most gravitons would be floating in empty space and matter would actually be depleted over a long enough time. All right, that's the second reason. The third reason there can't be a particle for gravity is that as I just said, most of the graviton particles would actually miss whatever they're trying to attract and end up in empty space doing nothing all the time. All right. So the graviton particle as a standard model particle is wrong. And I don't know why so many physicists can't just believe Newton when he said that it didn't exist. All right. Well, that's all I posted on this website. And an atheist, anonymous woman who's the same one that does it to me every time, who happens to be one of the moderators, just wrote one word, balderdash. So I wrote back a proof of what I was saying. All right. And telling her that I actually know how to solve general relativity and quantum physics, which I do. And then she deleted everything that I posted and banned me from the website. Just because I proved atheism wrong and proved the standard model of cosmology wrong. That's how atheists are. If you disagree with them and they have the power to, they will ban you, delete you, or kill you. They're going to face the creator one day. They will.